Before we start reading, we need to take a look at the new words on the left side. I will read the words in English and you will repeat them after me. Reaches, continent, rebuilt, hurricanes. Right, now let's start reading and you will repeat after me as usual. Explorer City. Welcome to the USA. The United States of America is one of the largest countries in the world. It has 50 states and it reaches from coast to coast across the North American continent. Washington. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the USA. D.C. is short for District of Columbia. Here you find the U.S. capital. New York. New York is the biggest city in the USA. About 8 million people from all over the world live here. This is the Statue of Liberty. New Orleans. New Orleans is the southern part of the USA. It is known for jazz music. New Orleans has been hit by extreme weather. The city has been rebuilt after 2 major hurricanes in 2005. And before we start reading the last part, we need to take a look at the new words here as well. City, oil, desert, entertainment, second largest, around, Houston. Texas is the biggest state in the USA. Houston is the largest city in the state. This city is known for country music. The state of Texas has a lot of oil. Las Vegas. Las Vegas is in the middle of the Nevada desert. It is a city with a lot of hotels, shows, and entertainment. It is also famous for its casinos. Los Angeles. Los Angeles is the second largest city in the USA. It is in sunny California. And there are mountains, desert, and long beaches around the city. A lot of films are made in Hollywood, LA. In LA, you have to have your own car to get around.